Many says that Sri Lanka is a small island surrounded by the Indian Ocean, but we have had many contacts with foreigners during King Ravana's period. There are a number of unique hymns that worship to King Ravana. I'll share one of them. Om Namam Manchit Ravo. So, who is this Ravo and why the word Ravo is included in mantras to worship Ravana? You can check it from Egyptians. Ravo is the god's clan and it's none other than the great king Ravana. It is true that the Ravana lineage became known as the Ravo lineage. Even the Egyptians respected the Ravo clan. Egypt's pharaoh's family began as a sub-clan of the Ravo family. If you want to find out the truth about these things, you can check online. The Egyptians still believe in God Ra. The pharaohs believe that the toddler comes from the sky and takes their souls to the sun. If there was ever a nation that ascended the heavens, it is only proud Sri Lankan nation. In this book, Vaimanik Shastra, found in Bangalore, India in 1923, King Ravana's air secrets are cherished. According to Indian opinion, the Vaimanik Shastra book was written by a scholar named Bharadwaj, but all these Vimanas are used by King Ravana: Pushpak Viman, Tripura Viman, Rukma Viman, Dandamonara, the Peacock Viman. Then how did this Indian Rishi Bharadwaj wrote it? It is written by none other than the great King Ravana. Maybe Bharadwaj wrote what King Ravana says, or he rewrites the same book by his name. We have to remember this proud name as well. Maya Asura, the one who made the Peacock Viman, the very first Viman in the world, which was stolen by Kuera, but it was made for King Ravan, and then King Ravana snatched that Vimana from Kuera because it's his Vimana. But Indians started to say that Ravana was the one who stole the Vimana from Kuera, but for the real, he took what belongs to him. And this Shastra is Ravana's knowledge. As mentioned here, King Ravana has many varieties of Vimanas. I'll share some information about some Vimanas. Shakuna Vimana. This takes the shape of a bird and extends the wings to slow down. As the speed increases, the wings shrink. Sundra Vimana. Circular in shape. This is what is widely known as flying saucers. Tripura Vimana. There are 3 floors. The first floor has 20 wheels that can travel the length of the earth. The second layer is that it can move like a submarine from underwater. And the third floor is it can fly in the sky. Rukma Vimana. These wings and whole Vimana is made from gold. The Vaimanik Shastra book says that according to Vedic tradition, the plane is created after he or she is trained as pilot. In past there were many schools to create Vimanas. It mentioned that teachers also have come together to create and fly. It is not known how much such school existed in Sri Lankan Empire. Virtual science says that in order to become a complete messenger, the secret Bhaira must know 32 secrets, and they are Mantra, Tantra, Kritika, Antarala, Ghuta, Drushya, Adurshya, Parakosha, Aparakosha, Sankosha, Vistirana, Virupakarana, Rupantarana, Surupa, Jyotirkava, Tamomaya, Pulaya, Vimukta, Tara, Mahashabda Vimohana, Lansana, Sarpagamana, Chapala, Sarvatomukha, Parashabda Grahaka, Rupakarshana, Kriya Grahana, Deek Pradarshana, Akashakara, Jaladharupa, Satkadaka, Karshana. This mastery mantra shastra takes a very prominent place. Mercury has been used as a major fuel in this aircraft. To empowerment Mercury, lots of mantras has been used extensively to power Mercury. So to move a plane requires mathematical knowledge. The ancient book Mauri Daurabandi states that astrological arithmetics, Vikuta Ganitaya, Bahuganita Vidyava, and multidisciplinary science were used to fly astronauts. It is said that all these arithmetic methods were powered by shield of King Ravana's rocket plane through the Alokasola binding mantra. The daytime sunshine lasts at night. To save that energy, a flower Suryakanta, it's like saffron, has been used. The light solar bonding enchantment has been used to bring energy into the crystals. Not only the Suryakanta rock but also the Chandrakanta rock, Vellappa rock and Shivanda rock have been used as the principles in the engine of the dandelion. It is said that these rock species still exist in Himalaya and Sri Lanka. The rock is also used for decorations. There are references to Dalisa and Mugalasa radiation emitted by these planes at night, absorbing sunlight. Clothing is one of the most important aspects to a pilot. There is a section in the textbook Vaimanik Shastra called Vastradhikarya, means costume that used for flight. The costumes of the pilot vary depending on the seasons and the distance traveled by the sky. Seasonal variation occur when the rotating stratosphere is received and the various tilt of the globe. The effects on the human body are diverse. These include muscle tightness, blood flow, cellular composition and function. There are 25 adverse effects of the seasonal changes which affect the body in terms of skin, bones, flesh, fat, muscles, nerves, joints and other body parts of the pilot. The pilot's clothes must be fitted to protect the pilot's body from these changes. According to Pata version, the ingredients of silk, cotton, linen, wool, mica and leather fabric should be washed with mica saturated water and washed 20 times after threading. And from Ketaki flowers, madaras, suryakanta, coconut, jute fiber should be washed 8 times as above. After that, soak in the oil, pea or basil, samara, acacia and mustard oil for 5 times a day. Then daspatiya, coriander, honey, sesame and mica should be heated in a rounded oven in a round bowl with a similar amount of undercooked salt. Have to heat all together. So in this Vaimanik Shastra book describes that clothes that a pilot must adhere to. It is important for a pilot to get into the right diet, not just on the plane, but in normal life too. This is mentioned in the Book of Astrology. Food authority is a term that states the dietary principle changes according to the seasons. Number 1. For spring and summer, liquid, milk, lentils, cereals, turva or dal, and for meat, lamb. Number 2. During the winter season, it is advisable to eat spaghetti, barley, and black sesame seeds. Number 3. In the rainy autumn, it is advisable to take cow's milk, wheat, and black rice and chicken. Proper dietary changes can prevent the production of harmful toxins caused by seasonal changes. 100 of the forces in the celestial body collide with Guha Yoga in the 7th space of water. These are divided into full-blown parties with full moon and new moon. This will result in good and bad. The result is divided to 2 parties with timing and frequency of meals are very important. These prove to us that not only designing an aircraft but also piloting a large number of qualities is required to fly an aircraft. No further facts are needed to determine how amazing the Hellenation was. This book describes how the raw material for making this aircraft was discovered. The body is made from 3 types of metals: Somaka, Saundyarika, Mortavika. The third deposit is the 7th layer of the Earth's interior contains Soma-like metals. There are 3 types of metals that absorb heat. These are called seed metals. There are about 3,000 layers of rock in the Earth's crust. There are 24 such metals in the 7th layer. The third type is 5 times better than the other. These books explain how to extract rocky layer and subterranean rocks from the interior of the earth and how to use them to create aircraft. So this amazing technology that belongs to Sri Lanka has been written in India later. However, the question arises as to why these aircraft are not used in today. Having so many sources, there is nothing wrong in seeing the West as sleepy nation, and King Ravana was the owner of these Vimanas and Vaimanik Shastra, and he was the king of Sri Lanka. So how it's possible the Vaimanik Shastra book written in India? That's impossible. As foreigners exploit our own heritage, the United States has now completed the production of these aircraft. So we'll discuss this in more details in my future videos. I hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.